Court issues bench warrant for arrest of Power FM journalist. Accra High Court has issued a bench warrant for the arrest of Ohenababwama Benny, a journalist of Accra-based radio station, Power FM, who is facing a contempt of court charge. Benny was dragged to court by the Attorney General AG, for contempt of court after he, Benny, allegedly claimed that President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo had influenced some justices of the Supreme Court to rule in his favor in an event of any election petition following the president's victory in the just-ended 2020 general election. The court, presided over by Justice Alfred Oyenidenchi, issued the bench warrant today, Wednesday, after Benny failed to appear before the court today. It followed an application by a Deputy AG, Mr. Godfrey Edward-Dami. Per the order of the court, Benny must be arrested and produced before the court tomorrow, Thursday, December 24, 2020. Background. The AG dragged Benny to court on December 17 this year for contempt of court. After the declaration of President Akufo-Addo as the president-elect by the Electoral Commission (EC), Benny allegedly published a video on his Facebook wall, claiming that President Akufo-Addo had met with 8 justices of the Supreme Court, led by the Chief Justice, and had influenced them. He claimed the president used the supposed meeting to influence the justices of the Apex Court to rule in his favor in the event of any election petition challenging his re-election as declared by the EC. In the said video, he allegedly said Ghanaians would not allow the justices of the Supreme Court to destroy the country and urged the military to stage a coup d'état. Violation of the Constitution. The AG makes a case that through his publication, Benny wants to tell the public that judges, including the justices of the Apex Court, decide cases not independently but by taking directives from the president. Such an assertion, the AG argued, if allowed to go unpunished, would amount to gross disrespect for the judiciary, which is a violation of the 1992 Constitution. According to the AG, Benny knew that there was a possibility of a challenge to the presidential election at the Supreme Court and, therefore, by poisoning the minds of the public against the court, he wanted to cause disaffection for the court. That the respondents' disrespect for the judiciary and the publication of false news intended to bring the judiciary into disrepute, makes him liable to be committed to prison, in order to vindicate the undoubted authority of the judiciary enshrined in Article 125 of the 1992 Constitution, the affidavit in support of the AG's case added. Near Ghana, Accra.